conveyor belt? A conveyor belt is a type of machine designed to move objects or people from one point to another. A conveyor belt is made up of a loop of material, rollers, and is powered by a motor. What does it do? A conveyor belt works by the power of a motor that moves the rollers in a certain direction. The rollers move the loop of material, causing whatever is on top of the belt to move also. Who uses a conveyor belt? Some people think that conveyor belts are used only by factory workers and mining companies. However, we all may have used a type of conveyor belt at some point in our life and not have realized it. Conveyor belts are used everywhere and by lots of different people. Where are they found? Conveyor belts can be found in factories, in the shops, in warehouses, in public transport centres, at airports, in bakeries, and in pizza shops. Where else might you find a conveyor belt? Let's pause and have a think. Why do we use conveyor belts? Conveyor belts are used to help make life easier. Conveyor belts are used in factories to bring objects to and from different machines. This makes work in the factory not as tiring or slow as heavy objects are moved automatically instead. In other places, conveyor belts are used to help people move if they need to travel a long distance quickly or have trouble moving. You may find these special conveyor belts in shopping centres or in airports. These are called escalators. How does a conveyor belt work? So how does a conveyor belt work? The conveyor belt is a loop of material that moves people or objects to places. This piece of material is fitted over special wheels that spin. These wheels are called rotors. The belt is spread tight over the rotors and is spun around as the rotors turn. The turning of the rotors must be turning in the same direction for the conveyor belt to work properly. Making your own personal conveyor belt. You can make your own version of the conveyor belt from recycled materials. Here's how you do it. You will need some paper, a shoebox, some toilet rolls, some sticky tape, and 2 strong sticks that can fit inside the toilet rolls. Number 1. Cut the paper into a long strip around 20 centimeters long and 5 centimeters wide. Tape both ends together to make a loop of paper. This is your belt. Make 2 holes in the sides of the shoebox towards the end. Place the stick through one side of the hole in the box. Put the paper on the toilet roll like so, and place the toilet roll onto the stick. Push the stick into the second hole on the other side of the shoebox. Do the same on the other side of the box for the second toilet roll and the stick. Your conveyor belt should be able to be moved like this. Now you have your own conveyor belt. Great job, everyone!